Hello everyone, welcome back. This time we are looking at synonyms. And I've told you earlier in our last class that synonyms means nearest in meaning. All right? Yeah. So this time we are looking at these ones apart from the one we earlier treated in our previous class. Exhaustive. When you say something is exhaustive, it is what? Thorough. Like the measures taken to avert the crime is exhaustive. Thorough. It is critical. It is detailed. All right? These are the synonymous terms that we could use or words. For something to decline, it means to reduce, means to decrease or diminish. So we can use the word diminish. All right? See that? Then we have inaccessible. When something is inaccessible, it means that it is, or someone is inaccessible or something or a situation, it means it is unapproachable. All right? Our principle appears to be inaccessible. All right? That means our principle appears to be unapproachable. All right? Yes. Then something despondent is something hopeless or situation that is hopeless or pessimistic situation. All right? Yes. Another word is what? Dejected. All right. So we could use that word there, dejected. All right. Yes. Then we talk about corroborated. All right. Corroborate means to what? Confirm. All right. Confirm. Since it is past tense here, we also have past tense here. Confirm to show the synonymous term. Then earmarked. Money can be earmarked for a particular project. That means set aside. All right. Yes. Then when you are a virtuous woman, I can remember a popular novel called The Virtuous Woman by Zainab Al-Khali. They call the novel The Virtuous Woman. That means morally right or just woman. All right. Not a woman that is salacious. All right, or obscene in her approach to issues. When you are unskated, you are on horse. We thank God that the passengers were unskated, all right, even in the ghastly accident, all right. Yes. Now, we talk about solitary. The word solitary means what? uh Lonely. All right. Solitary, lonely. And then exacerbate. When you exacerbate an issue, you exaggerate. Another word for exaggerate is aggravate. All right. Another word is to worsen. All right. So you can use the word worsen here. All right. While the opposite will now be ameliorate. Okay. Yes, we are going to look at antonyms. Uh, Now we talk about appalled. When you are appalled, you are shocked, you are astounded, you are astonished, you are taken aback, you are bewildered. People say you are flabbergasted. All right. All of these words or terms can be used in place of appalled. Then adorned. When something is adorned, or a particular building, anything that's adorned on human being, then such a thing, person, or figure has been decorated, embellished, garnished, in fact, or beautified. Okay? So that's that. We are going to look at some other ones straight ahead.